Hi there, students. Do you know what a wedge is? Okay, this is a wedge. Look, you see the shape, it's triangular, tapering, getting smaller, to a point, yeah? Okay, so we could use a wedge to wedge a door open, yeah? A wedge to hold something in place, or to lift something a little bit, yeah? Normally the wedges you use for that are just long ones, yeah? And you just bang them in. I'm sure you've seen these rubber wedges that they use to wedge doors open. Also, thinking about this shape, you could have potato wedges. Potato wedges are a popular snack, certainly in the UK. It's wedges, pieces of potato cut like this and then fried. Okay, so what about figuratively? Well, he wedged the paper into his pocket, yeah? I'm told in the underground in Japan, they pushed the people into the underground cars, yeah? Okay, so you could say wedged in. If something's wedged in, it's packed really, really, really tight. So the people in the underground car are wedged in like sardines, or packed in, okay? So a wedge, remember, a wedge, it's just something with a triangular shape that goes slowly to a point, yeah? It's not normally like that, it's normally quite flat, yeah? You'd use a wedge to hold a door open. Or if you take a cheese and you cut two pieces, then you have a wedge of cheese, okay? So, to wedge, to hold open, to fix or jam in position, yeah? Or to wedge in, to fill with as much as possible, okay? So I'm sure you can wedge the meaning of this word into your memory, which is already full of useless vocabulary. Okay, enough. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, a wedge, to wedge in.